Hang Seng Bank is a commercial bank whose major business activities include retail banking, wealth management, commercial banking, treasury services, and private banking. It also has a wholly owned subsidiary in mainland China, Hang Seng Bank Limited, which has a network of 46 branches and sub-branches. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of logging into the online banking service of Hang Seng Bank. So if you want to find out how you can do so, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.hangseng.com and hit in. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Hang Seng Bank. Now at the top right, you'll be able to see an option Logon. Hover your mouse over there and then click on Personal eBanking. Once you are redirected to this page, you'll be asked to enter your username. Enter your username of your Hang Seng Personal eBanking, and after that, choose any one of these two options to log on. If you choose password, you'll need to enter the password, and if you choose security device, you need to enter your first password, enter the security code, and then press green button for 2 seconds, enter your security device pin. Finally, press green button again and then click on log on. But if you choose password option, then you will have to enter your first password, then enter the second, fourth, and second last digit of your second password. Once you have entered the details, click on log on, and that's it. You'll be logged into the online banking service of Hang Seng Bank. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.